In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with a glow effect in Canva. Let's dive in. To kick things off, head over to Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is an intuitive, user-friendly design platform that's perfect for creating striking visuals, even if you're not a designer by trade. Once you're on the Canva website, let's go ahead and create a design. For this project, you'll want to select the YouTube thumbnail template. This will ensure that your thumbnail is the perfect size for YouTube and looks polished and professional right from the start. Now that you have your blank canvas ready, it's time to add your background. This could be a solid color, a gradient, or an image that sets the tone for your video. Be sure to choose something that aligns with your video's theme and will grab viewers' attention. Next up, you'll want to insert a text box to add your headline. This is a crucial step because often the text you choose can be the first thing that draws people in. Make sure to use a bold, thick font for maximum visibility. Remember, your text should be readable at a glance and stand out against your background. Now that we've got our text in place, let's move on to the fun part, adding that eye-catching glow effect. Select your text, click on Effects in the toolbar, and then choose the neon option. This effect will give your text a striking glow that differentiates your thumbnail from the rest. Once the glow effect is applied, have fun by adjusting the color. You want the glow to complement your thumbnail's overall color scheme, enhancing its attractiveness without clashing. To take it a step further and add some depth, duplicate your text layer. With the duplicate layer in place, change its color slightly, just enough to offer a hint of contrast. Move this layer ever so slightly. This will create a layered glow effect that adds depth and dimension to your headline and catches the viewer's eye. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your thumbnail looks, it's time to export it. Be sure to choose the PNG file format for sharp, high-quality images that retain their essence when uploaded to YouTube. This will ensure that your gorgeous design looks just as great on screen as it does in Canva. And there you have it, a vibrant, effective YouTube thumbnail with a glow effect crafted in Canva. Just remember, a compelling thumbnail can really draw viewers in, so take your time experimenting with colors and effects to make sure yours stands out. I hope this guide was helpful, and I can't wait to see the stunning thumbnails you create. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!